Okay, say you're like me and you are a nerd and you use Opera GX. And like me, you open up Opera GX this morning to look at Markiplier videos, and you open it up and it goes like this, and it's like, oh my gosh, what is that? And then that happens and you're like, oh my god, that's so scary, and you don't like it. And then you realize that that happens every single time you open up Opera GX, and you're like, oh my god, I hate that. Okay, so you want to figure out a way to make that stop. How can you do it? So this is how I figured out how to make that stop. Okay, so you want to go into your files, and by the way, I'm sure there are much more efficient ways of doing this, but this is how I did it. Um, so basically, you type in opera underscore gx underscore splash dot exe, and you search, and it will take 1,000,000 years to search. Like literally, it takes like 5 minutes. So with the power of editing, it will be done soon, and I will tell you what to do in a second. Okay, BRB. All right, now that it's whatever, you search for it and it's here, you just go ahead and you just delete that ish. Yeah, you just delete that. You delete that ish. All right, I think it deleted. It's just being weird. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, sick. So see now when you open up Opera, it's not you're not getting jump scared by Eric Andre. So that's cool. If this like permanently beans your Opera, that's not my fault. Okay, thank you. Bye.